Part 3 of this video starts from here. Next question. This seems to be a complicated structure, but never mind, we will make it easy. So first of all, I will write the structure. Here is the structure. So as per the step 1, we need to identify the longest chain by giving the least possible number to the substituents. If I follow this straight chain, it will not be the longest. So in this case, I have to consider a zigzag chain. So I'll start from here. Let's see what I get. So this seems to be longest chain, but let's try other chain. If I take this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also coming less. And if I take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is also coming 7. So in this case, there are more than one ways for identifying the longest parent hydrocarbon chain. To verify whether the numbering that we have done here is correct or not, I'll go for the step 2, that is verifying the lowest set of locants as per the rule 3. So in this case, the lowest set of locants will be, here we have a substituent, then we have a substituent here, and then here, and then here. These three are methyl groups, whereas this one is an ethyl group. So in this case, the lowest set of locants will be. So now if I start numbering from some other place, let's see what set of locants I get. I'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So in this case, the lowest set of locants will be, you can see here that this one represents the lowest set of locants. That means the numbering that we have done previously is the correct way of numbering because it's giving us the lowest set of locants. So this new one is incorrect and we will not follow this one. So as per the step 3, we need to analyze the substituents whether they are same or different and their position as per the rule 4. So you can see here that we have 3 methyl groups present at position 2, 4, and 5, and we have 1 ethyl group present at the position 3. So as per the step 4, as we have same type of alkyl groups, that is the methyl group, we will use the prefix tri, which stands for 3, because we have 3 methyl groups here, and we will use the alphabetical order also as per the rule 5, because we have a 1 ethyl group. So we have different substituents, that is 3 methyl groups and 1 ethyl group. So while naming the alphabetical order, I will write the name of the ethyl group first and then the methyl group. So as per the step 5, now we will write the name of this compound, that is prefix plus root word plus suffix. As I've told you, we will be using the secondary prefix and we will be using the primary suffix. And while naming the prefix, first of all, I will write the position of the alkyl group in the alphabetical order. So the ethyl group is present at the 3rd position, so I will write 3 ethyl and then 2, 4, 5 trimethyl. Here the ethyl group is present at the 3rd position, while the 3 methyl groups are present at 2, 4, and 5 position. So I've written here tri, which represents 3 methyl groups, and the root word will be hept because hept stands for 7 carbon atom. I will write hept here and the suffix will be ane. So the name of this compound is 3-ethyl 2,4,5 trimethyl heptane. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, you can visit our website transelearning.com. Have a great day.